To help you uncover what might be missing from your packing list, we've put together a collection of must-have travel gadgets. In this video, we'll show you 20 travel gadgets available on Amazon. Let's get started. This compact case measures 7.5 by 4.3 by 2.2 inches, fitting easily into backpacks and laptop bags while offering ample storage space across 2 layers. The Smart Pocket design accommodates cables up to 3 feet in the mesh compartments, with larger pockets for longer cords. Crafted from durable waterproof Oxford fabric with protective soft sponge padding, this organizer safeguards your electronic essentials. The double-layer interior cleverly stores cords, USB drives, chargers, mice, and other accessories with easy access. Take the stress out of travel with this essential hanging luggage scale that helps you avoid costly, overweight baggage fees. This compact digital scale weighs just 3.5 ounces but delivers impressive functionality in a portable design. With a maximum capacity of 110 pounds or 50 kilograms and precise measurements down to 0.1 pounds, you can confidently weigh even oversized bags. The backlit LCD display ensures easy reading in any lighting condition, while the data lock function gives you plenty of time to view the results. Transform your travel experience with this versatile hands-free phone holder, the perfect companion for flights and adventures. This mount securely attaches to airplane tray tables, seat backs, and various surfaces, letting you enjoy movies and content without holding your device. Featuring multi-directional adjustment and 360-degree rotation, you can easily position your phone at the perfect viewing angle for maximum comfort. The strong, reliable clamp system holds your device firmly in place, while the compact, foldable design makes it incredibly portable. Simply slip it into your backpack or carry-on luggage. Stay organized and secure during your travels with this stylish, eco-friendly travel wallet. With dedicated spaces for your passport, boarding pass, credit cards, SIM card, cash, coins, keys, and even a pen, everything has its place in this compact yet spacious wallet measuring 6.5 by 4.5 inches. Built-in RFID blocking technology shields your personal information from electronic theft, giving you peace of mind as you navigate busy airports and crowded destinations. The slim, lightweight design makes it easy to keep all your important documents and carry-on essentials together in one secure place. Transform your travel experience with these thoughtfully designed packing cubes that take the stress out of organizing your suitcase. Say goodbye to messy luggage and endless searching. These cubes keep your belongings perfectly sorted and easily accessible throughout your journey. Constructed from durable twill polyester fabric with precise stitching, these packing cubes are built to last. The smooth gliding, two-way metal zippers operate effortlessly without catching or jamming, making packing and unpacking a breeze, even after years of frequent use. Keep your shoes and travel items perfectly organized with these versatile clear storage bags. Generously sized at 15.7 by 11.8 inches, this 5-pack of bags accommodates both men's and women's footwear, from dance shoes to hiking boots, plus clothing and other travel essentials. Crafted from premium PE material, these durable bags offer waterproof protection while remaining lightweight and reusable. The thoughtful translucent design lets you quickly identify contents without opening each bag, saving time while maintaining privacy. Strong drawstrings allow for easy hanging and convenient organization. Made from high-quality elastic silicone material, these durable straps are easy to clean, reusable, and perfect for managing all types of cords and cables. The innovative design features a convenient round hole at the top, serving 2 practical purposes. Secure the strap to prevent loss, or hang your bundled cables to save valuable space. At 4.2 inches in length, these adjustable straps perfectly accommodate everything from earphone cables to network cords. Coming in a generous pack of 24 pieces with multiple vibrant colors, you'll have plenty of organizers to tackle cable clutter throughout your home or office. The Zuihug Travel Pill Organizer combines smart design with practicality. With 10 compartments, it offers week-long medication storage in a compact form that fits easily in bags and purses. Built from durable materials for lasting reliability, this organizer keeps medications secure and accessible, whether you're traveling or managing daily prescriptions. The slim profile fits easily in purses, backpacks, and carry-on luggage, making it ideal for travel or everyday medication storage. This essential organizer brings convenience and peace of mind to your medication routine. Transform your packing experience with ALMING compression bags. This versatile travel set includes 10 high-quality storage bags in 3 convenient sizes to accommodate all your needs. Made from durable PA plus PE material, these bags shield your belongings from water, dirt, and dust while reducing storage space by 75%. Unlike traditional vacuum bags, these innovative compression bags feature a one-way ventilation system. Simply roll the bag to expel air, no vacuum or pump needed. The double zipper seal ensures your items stay securely compressed during transit. Experience superior comfort with the TRTL travel pillow, featuring a scientifically proven design for optimal neck support. Unlike traditional U-shaped pillows, our patented internal support system keeps your head and neck perfectly aligned while you rest, preventing stiffness and discomfort. Weighing just 4.5 ounces, this pillow combines super soft fleece with plush cushioning for a truly restful sleep experience. The compact design easily attaches to your luggage without the bulk of conventional travel pillows. Stay connected worldwide with the TESSAN Universal Travel Adapter. This versatile 5-in-1 adapter works in over 150 countries, featuring interchangeable plugs for US, UK, EU, and Australia-China regions. With 1 universal AC outlet and 4 USB ports, including a 3A USB-C port, charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. Designed for modern travelers, this compact adapter supports devices up to 2,500 watts and handles voltages from 100 volts to 250 volts. Built-in safety features include double fuse protection and integrated security shutters. Experience effortless wrinkle removal with the ultra-lightweight Nesugar G3 Travel Steamer. Weighing just 0.75 pounds, this powerful 900-watt steamer delivers 8 minutes of continuous dry steam, ready in just 15 seconds. The versatile design works from any angle without leaving water spots, perfect for all fabric types. Use it as both a hanging or flat iron with its convenient 6-foot power cord. The compact design includes a flannel storage bag for easy transport. Ideal for both travel and home use, this steamer maintains garment quality while efficiently removing wrinkles. Meet the Flex Flap, designed by a flight attendant for hands-free device viewing anywhere. This versatile phone stand features premium black leather grip and adjustable aluminum core, protecting your device while offering complete angle control. Perfect for travel, the Flex Flap works with all phones and tablets, with or without cases. Use it on airplanes, in cars, kitchens, or hang bags from tables. Its slim design folds flat for easy packing. Experience comfortable viewing with this lightweight, durable travel companion. Transform your travel packing with BAGSMART compression packing cubes. This versatile set includes multiple sizes to organize your wardrobe. Large cubes for jackets and trousers, medium for shirts and blouses, plus a dedicated compartment bag for separating clean clothes from dirty ones. The extra exterior zipper compresses contents like a vacuum sealer, letting you pack twice as much in your suitcase. The lightweight, durable fabric keeps your load manageable while withstanding frequent use. Say goodbye to flimsy airline blankets with the EverSnug travel blanket and pillow. This versatile companion features premium micro-plush fabric that's ultra-soft and cozy, measuring a generous 65 by 40 inches to keep you warm during your travels. The innovative design transforms from blanket to pillow with its micro-plush carrying case, doubling as a comfortable headrest. Traveling is hassle-free with the built-in hand luggage sleeve and included carabiner clip, letting you easily attach it to your suitcase or backpack. This thoughtfully designed mask features the perfect weight distribution to reduce eye fatigue and promote faster, deeper sleep. The 3D contoured design creates roomy eye pockets for unrestricted blinking while providing complete light blockage. Made with premium memory foam and soft cotton, this mask remains breathable and gentle on skin. The wide adjustable strap won't snag hair or press on ears, ensuring a comfortable fit for any head size. Includes bonus earplugs for complete sensory relief during travel, meditation, or naps. Discover portable cleanliness with FOMIN paper soap sheets. These compact, lightweight soap sheets are perfect for travel, camping, hiking, and school trips. Each sheet quickly dissolves in water, creating a rich, moisturizing lather that effectively cleans while being gentle on skin. Made with natural plant extracts, these kid-friendly soap sheets are safe for all skin types and leave no residue. Simply add water to a sheet, rub hands together, and rinse for instant cleanliness anywhere. Meet your perfect travel charging companion. This compact power strip fits in your palm, yet delivers 3 AC outlets and 3 USB ports for all your devices. Ideal for nightstands, cruise ships, and hotel rooms where outlets are scarce. The 3-foot wraparound cord ensures neat storage while providing flexible placement. Built with safety in mind, this FCC-approved strip features complete protection against electrical hazards, including short circuits and overheating. Perfect for travelers, this space-saving power strip keeps all your devices powered without compromising on safety or convenience. These premium cubes feature unique compression technology. Simply pack your clothes, zip, and compress to save valuable suitcase space. Made from durable 320D fabric, they protect clothing from wrinkles while withstanding travel wear and tear. Smooth double zippers with extended cords ensure easy access to your organized items. Available in multiple sizes, these versatile cubes help separate and store everything from jackets to undergarments. Find what you need instantly with this smart organizational system that transforms how you pack. Transform your international travel with the SAUNORCH Universal Travel Adapter. This 5-in-1 power solution works in over 200 countries, featuring interchangeable plugs and multiple USB ports to charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. Built with smart IC technology, it automatically adjusts power output for optimal charging speed. The adapter delivers up to 2,500 watts of power and includes high-speed USB-C ports for the latest devices. Safety comes standard with flame-retardant materials, integrated shutters, and built-in fuse protection.